Hello guys, it's Wiz. In this video, I will show you how to change the map view in Waze. Waze is a popular navigation app that helps you find the best routes while driving. Changing the map view is quick and easy, and it only takes a few steps. To get started, first open up the Waze app on your smartphone. Make sure you're connected to the internet so that you have access to all features. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of your screen. In this menu, tap on Settings, locate and tap on Map Display. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll see an option called Map View. By default, it may be set to Auto, which adjusts automatically based on speed and direction. However, if you'd like more control over what you see while driving, you'll have two manual options available. After selecting either 3D or 2D, simply exit out of the settings page. There's no need for any save button. Waze automatically saves changes as soon as they're made. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below.